this one is a lot.
What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and we just gonna jump straight into it. I think I got a rattle can addiction because I did my whole Kimber, the whole Kimber. So, backstory on this gun. I broke it, right? I stripped out this screw, and I ended up having to super glue this down. I used some Loctite and stuff, so this grip isn't going anywhere. I shot a bunch of rounds, no issues, right? And so I was just thinking, I had stuff in the garage I was spraying down. I rattle canned one AR, and just creating stuff has got me so addicted. I was like, can I do the Kimber 1911? And I figured, why not? So I'm out at the gun range. We're about to take the Kimber. I'm actually out teaching a class today, but when I'm done teaching the class, we're going to run the Kimber and see if it runs right. Keep in mind, I've also ran this gun. I'm at probably 400 plus rounds without cleaning it because I was trying to see how long I could run it, but then it was hard for me to get 45 ammo at a decent price, so then I stopped. Even on the FFL side, a lot of my suppliers were out of 45, but I'm finna grab some more because look, man, and I think it'll match the AR quite well. So the Rustic Arms, what do you guys think? I know I got bit by the rattle can bug. Somebody needs to come by my house and take away all my paints. But after I do a Glock, 2 more AR pistols, a full-size AR, and a 308, then I'll be done. Maybe I'll just run out of paint before then and then be done, but I know I'll go buy more. What do y'all think, man? I'm kind of enjoying this, especially in Michigan as the season's changing and fall is coming. That bald grass look, it just kind of matches and goes. And my stuff hit the fan gear is this color. It's kind of like a greenish tan, and so when I go to kit up, should I need to kit up, this matches my stuff. And that was my other thought, but it's really just cool, man. I'm enjoying just making stuff. I can't set a Cerakote booth up in my garage just yet, so this is it. What do y'all think, man? Let me know in the comments if I'm tripping or not. Otherwise, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and catch y'all next video. Peace.
Yeah!